In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to troubleshoot and resolve issues with YouTube TV not loading. Let's dive in. If you encounter difficulties loading videos on YouTube TV or your YouTube TV application, don't worry. It's a common issue and can be easily fixed. Firstly, let me show you what this error looks like. When you attempt to play a video, it may fail to load, displaying an error message. This could be frustrating, but there's a simple solution. To fix this, you need to clear your application cache. Resetting your device may also help, especially if you're using an Amazon Fire device. By clearing the application cache and resetting your device, you can often resolve this error and get YouTube TV working smoothly again. If the issue persists, you can try using a VPN or signing out of your Gmail account and then signing in again. Sometimes, these additional steps can help resolve the loading issue. So to recap, clear your application cache, reset your device if necessary, and consider using a VPN or signing out and back into your Gmail account. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.